How to unfreeze SPayLater in Shopee. So in your default browser or in your app, Shopee app, you'll have to go to the your profile icon and then simply hit the gear icon at the top right. So once you're here, you'll have to go to the help center section. So in your help center section, you'll have to search for SPayLater. So once you find out SPayLater, you'll have to scroll down till you find why can't I you'll have to search for why can't I use my SPayLater. So you'll have to search for it. So yeah, why my SPayLater application was rejected, or so how can I deactivate it? So see, you can see how to activate SPayLater. So you'll have to go there and you might be able to see different of the options that might be causing the your application or your SPayLater to get freeze. So first of all, you'll have to upload your ID that will verify you. Go to the home page and then in the me tab you'll have to enter all of your IDs, government IDs, which will make sure that you are the a verified human being. And another option is paying your unpaid bills might also unfreeze it. So you might be shown with two of the freezing options, that is your permanent freezing and then temporary freezing. And either you might have temporary or either you might have permanent freezing. So if you are permanent freezing, that means you have violated any kind of the Shopee policy and your account cannot be restored with SPayLater. So if that's a temporary freeze, you'll have to go ahead and then pay your bills, and then your SPayLater credit might get restored or might get deducted. So you'll have to make sure that you keep on paying the bills of your orders. And what else is that if you're missing any kind of information, make sure you upload your information. Also make sure you're verified to SPayLater. And then what you can do is going to your app store or play store and then try troubleshooting your app. So you can search for Shopee and make sure you download the correct version and update it or the latest version of the app, and try reinstalling the app as well by deleting it. So that's the fix. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.